Keyboard Shortcuts window allows you to combine actions to create a macro. This is a very efficient way of creating new functionality by combining existing actions. For example, let's create a mark clip in the timeline function using macros. This will automatically set an in and out mark around a clip that I'm parked over. To create this macro, simply double-click on the actions you wish to combine. In this example, I'll double-click on the jump to previous edit point, double-click on the set in point, double-click on the jump to next edit point, then double-click on the set out point. Notice that all these actions are now combined into sequence order with plus signs between them. Select the space under the key column where the macro was created and the text Press New Key appears. Simply select a key and it will be assigned to your newly created macro. You can even use Control, Alt, or Shift key combinations. Your new macro will be added to your current keyboard shortcut. Your keyboard shortcuts travel with your login, so you will not be required to create new shortcuts when accessing Blackbird on a different computer.